pile number one. In the beginning of the year, you're going to exchange some, maybe you're going to change your job, or you're going to change your courses, maybe you're exchanging some sort of, I don't know, you're going to get over something from your past and going to get achieve better. But it's kind of, getting this barter kind of energy. Um, Kind of like you were in the past, you were very depressed because of maybe some person, or could be a job, and now you're getting out of this situation, moving towards something better. You're going to go abroad maybe in the month of February, maybe you're going to get married in the month of February, and if you're a girl, you're going to get something really better, like you're going to make this beautiful life in the month of February. However, since November, it has been a really bad situation for you, that you have not moved on from your past, or maybe you're working very hard to achieve this goal that you have in your mind, and you're very depressed. Could be that you have recently, in the month since the month of November, you got this breakup that from the person that you met 3 years or maybe 3 months ago. So this is the situation for you right now, and it is going to change by the month of February. So maybe, uh, see, this could be about your past or maybe about the future. Maybe that you have got this opportunity and you were confused to whether you can choose it, or you can move forward with it, or you cannot. But despite all the challenges, you went ahead with it, putting efforts, more efforts than what is required, putting more money into it. And despite the family that it was opposed to it, you went through it, and you got into the opportunity, and you felt that you have succeeded the purpose of your life. To some extent, yes, you were very happy, and till November I can see that maybe it was going smooth, but now you are losing your patience. So the universe is saying to have patience. You're going to get what is, the best you could have offered in this particular situation, or in the year 2020 you're going to get better, at least in year 2021. You have to wait till 16th. So 16th of April, I would say, you should have patience, and then you can expect some changes. You could be traveling, and you could be coming out of your situation where you feel, that you feel alone, or maybe that you have made the wrong decision, or whatever the choices that you have made, maybe thinking that you regret of doing something, or choosing something over something else. So this situation, this feeling is going to change by the month May, 16th of May. And yes, expect really good celebration in the month of February for you. Alright, thank you, my dear pie number one. Drop the comment and do follow my page. Thank you so much. Hi, my dear pie number two. Whosoever has chosen this beautiful crystal, we are going to move ahead with your read. So, yeah. I see you traveling from your hometown to somewhere else. Maybe it could be with your brother, or maybe any elder, maybe your dad, could be your husband. I think you're not happily taking over this decision. You're not happy to move it, but I see you traveling in the month of February. It's going to be better for you. Whatever you may feel that right now, it is like you're leaving these things, these beautiful things behind, and going to get this. But I guess this is really beautiful for you that you don't get it right now, but in the end you'll see that at the end of the day it is going to benefit you. You wanted something else. could be like you wanted to visit, maybe for example America now, but you're going to UK. So this could be the situation for some of you. It's like somebody's going to visit their relative and you're angry over this particular relative, that why are you doing this to me, that because of you my parents are choosing this for me. You're going abroad for studies in the month of February. Could be studying law or higher studies, I feel, or something medical. It could be a bit struggling for you in the beginning, I feel, till May, June, or June, July. Maybe you have to, save some money. You could be spending less in order to get this degree and to live there in that particular place. Or could be that it is your last year of the studies and you're going to get graduation done or post graduation done. Take it as it resonates. Whatever it is, you feel that yes, you have got this degree, law, and everything, that you have fulfilled your parents' wishes, the expectations, but you're not happy from inside. You feel that. So I feel, yeah, this has already have been happened, and you are going to take the chance, or maybe you're going to put your step ahead from whatever has been offered to you. You may be thinking about four options, maybe, and you wanted to move forward with the one, but as it says, your parents, they're not okay with it, and now uh, you feel still that why cannot you do the wish you want, or whatever you feel like. So let me see the cards for you. What is happening for you in the year 2022? Where are you moving ahead in your life? Please Spirit, let me know where is this person, pile number 2, is going ahead in their life in the year 2022. What are the decisions that they're going to make in the year 2022? Why are they feeling so stressed or lost? How are they going to improve in the year 2022? Alright. Yeah, you could be traveling in May, June, as I have said. Despite whatever decisions that you want at your level, you're going to get traveling in the month of June, with family or with not, with your choice or with not. But in the end, it will be a better situation. Or I see from the fourth year, in your last fourth year, you're going to feel that it was your best decision. That you're going to get whatever in the if you're going to start your journey from next year, it'll be worth it for next 4 months or for next 4 years. So in the beginning, you may feel that you lost it, the battle, or maybe you feel that it's a worst decision of your life, but in the end, it is for you. You're going to achieve it, the right thing through this path. Thank you, my dear pile 2. I feel that you're ignoring this, whatever has been offered to you. You're not taking it. I think you should choose it. Thank you, my dear pile number 2. Let's move on to pile number 3. Hi, my dear pile number 3. Those who have chosen this beautiful crystal, the pink quartz, rose quartz crystal, known for its love properties. Let me go ahead with your maybe you feel blocked in your situation right now, that you cannot take a step further even though you want to have it. But in next 3 days, you're going to take this chance and you're going to move ahead despite the fears, despite the losses, what has been occurred, or maybe what is going to happen for you. All these fears, you're going to take the step ahead. Would you feel so depressed, or you feel like as if you've lost all your battles and you cannot move forward with it? It's like you had just one plan, there was no plan B, and it has failed. And now, what can you do? What is next for you? You're feeling this. A lost situation for you. Next 5 days, probably, you're going to get this decision made that will end your issues for better. And then next on, from the January itself, you're going to put more investment into you, not into the others, what others think. Like, you have to see that whatever your plans or whatever things you're going to do is for you, not for others, despite what the other person is saying, or be from, like, whatever the society would say or feel. You should not take that into your mind. You just have to balance. And then, I guess, next 10 days from the decision that has been made, the related to this law thing, from that you're going to achieve something better in respect to your studies or job, or could be related to the beauty for some of you. So yeah, the thing is that whatever the past issues or this negative energy has been, you have been going through since last 5 months, it's going to change from October, could be, or from 10th of some month, or from next 10 days. Yeah, on 7th of January, or 6th, you're going to get this whatever love situation you were into, which were not serving you for your best. You're going to move ahead from that situation, even though it may feel that you have lost something in this journey with this person, but in the end you will cope up. So this, I would say, till October, you could be, you could be suffering, not suffering exactly, but you have to put more efforts in order to put your life back into what it was in the past, that was the beautiful life you had, or maybe you had in mind that you're going to have that. For that, till October, you have to work hard. Just put some strength on, get that vibe back to your life, that you feel that you're enough and you don't require somebody else in your life. And from October, you're going to get some beautiful, beautiful changes ahead in your life. So let's see what are the changes coming for you in October. Yeah, you could be getting related to some opportunities relating to beauty, or some designing or clothing related stuff. Yeah, you could be getting opportunities in the field of styling, I would say, or clothing brand. What are the changes that are coming for my dear pile number 3 from the month of October 2022? Oops. Okay, so we have, yeah, maybe you're turning 27 or 28, and people will say that, what are you doing with your life? And you're like, what? So maybe after that, despite the discussion from your home front, negativity is going to be there, but then you have to choose where you feel that you do good, you will do good. Not like, you have tried the decisions of the other person. Now that you've lost it, now you are like, yeah, I have to do what I feel good for me. So you're going to get a decision made, and then, yeah, you will require some money. You have to balance it out, your emotions as well. And there could be some issues, but then you are moving ahead in your life, in your career. Could be some more hard work requirement, but then in the end you'll achieve it. The justice will be served. So I would say, from February, you're going to start in the beginning until next year, 2023 February, you'll see the change, that 10 times change in your personality, in your life, and the entire standard that you have, the standard of living that you're living into right now. Alright, thank you for